Little girl sitting in her mother's arm with sadness in her eyes. Doctor said, "I'm sorry, ma'am, there's just no hope inside." Her family gathered around her and on her knees began to pray. As the tears feel like rain, you could hear her mother say, "Lord, I need a miracle today. Please just let one pass my way. I believe in you. Help me overcome this fear inside. This pain too much for me to hide. Lord, you see me through. I need a miracle from you." Drunken man stumbled in a church house 'cause he had no place to go. Lost of his family left him craving in his soul. The preacher stood and spoke of how Jesus loved you anyway. With a choice he had to run or stay, the man bowed his head and prayed, "Lord, I need a miracle today. Please just let one pass my way. I believe in you. Help me overcome this fear inside. This pain too much for me to hide. Lord, you see me through. I need a miracle from you." Little girl's now a wife with kids of her own, and a man who bowed his head has led many to the throne. Lord, I need a miracle today. Please just let one pass my way. I believe in you. Lord, I need a miracle today. Please just let one pass my way. I believe in you. Help me overcome this fear inside. This pain too much for me to hide. Lord, you see me through. I need a miracle from you. I need a miracle from